Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new whip-in chat, sort of. It's going to be a partial chat, but mostly I'm just going to start off chatting and then we're going to pause and I'm going to work on this adorable little chick in the half egg. This is so cute. This is part of the set of Easter keychains that I got from the kind people at BBcraft. So I'm going to speed this up and play some music for you. So I hope you enjoy that and that is relaxing for you. I'm going to watch some of my shows on Netflix and I'll come back when we're done. All right? So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, guys, so I am back, and this little guy is done. And oh my gosh, I think I might have to keep this one for myself. This is so cute. I love this one. Look how cute he is. So here's what it looks like not done on the back. I still have to do the back. And here's what it looks like on the front. So much cuter. I just love this one. What do you guys think? Anyway, I'm still busy. There's 3 more to do, but I don't know if I'll get them done or not, because I still have to do the backs of these ones and get them all coated with like a clear glue to protect them, because they're still very sticky, before I can give them away and put the keychains in. So I think I might stop here. I have enough to make, like, for all the gifts that I wanted, plus one for myself. So yeah, I'm not sure if we'll do the rest of them this year. I might save the other 3 for next year. But anyway, I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that like button. Hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, and all of those good things that help me as a channel. And let me know in the comments what you think of this little guy. All right, guys, take care, stay safe, happy crafting, and happy Easter. Bye, guys.